La conjugaison. La conjugaison is using a verb with le sujet, meaning nom or pronom. In the example of manger, we can have Papa mange une pomme. Il mange une pomme. La terminaison. It is the ending of the conjugated verb. For example, in these two conjugated forms, one of them ends with e and the other one ends with ent. Let's see a few examples in English. So for a few verbs, we're going to see infinitive versus like conjugaison. To think can give us she thinks, I thought. To do can give us he does, we're doing. To go, I went, she goes. To drink, she drinks, they drank. To see, she sees, you saw. Now in French. To think is penser. To do is faire. To go is aller. To drink is boire. And to see is voir. Let's see l'infinitif and la conjugaison for these verbs in French. Penser can give us elle pense, nous pensons, faire can give us il fait, je fais, ils feront. Aller can give us tu vas, nous allons. Boire, elle boit, nous buvons. Voir, nous voyons, tu as vu. Les temps, tenses in English. It's about when. Did it happen? Is it happening now? Is it going to happen in the future? We use le présent, present, when it is happening now. We use le passé, past, when it already happened or it was happening. We use le futur or future if it will happen or it is going to happen.